tool selection in DevOps. So let's bring to the stage Khurrum Khan, or as his friends call him, KK.
Thanks, guys. Yeah, that's not my presentation. All right. My name is Khurrum Khan. I'm from Newt Global. Hit me up on Twitter, and my email is out there. We work as a consulting organizations to various companies for tools. And when we talk about tools, you know, the market is filled with DevOps tools, right? Everybody's targeting continuous delivery. No single tool is going to be a silver bullet, so don't fall into that trap. And automation is the key. And you'll see this word coming up again and again about automation and why it is key to getting your tooling and your entire strategy around DevOps complete. Because if you're going to go into just taking up tools and thinking that this is the panacea, it's not going to work out that way, right? You'll have to get into automation. You'll have to build the pipeline. This is the kind of landscape, and if any of the companies are here whom I've not represented, I apologize right now. But you can see that every step of the way, there are so many tools. It's a problem of plenty to have, actually. And many of them are almost the same, right? So it's not going to be like, you know, you're picking one and you're not picking the others, right? It is a market saturation where there are so many tools that are come. You come into any of the conferences, that's what you're going to see. So where do you begin? Start with in-house tools. Start with what you have, right? You get a common strategy around the dev and the ops teams. Shameless plug, right? Partner with the right system integrator. Don't make mistakes yourself. Learn from the other people's mistakes. Focus on automation. Common theme. Again, I'm telling you, scale incrementally. Don't try to do the big thing all at the same time. Try to do a proof of concept. Build it. Evangelize that proof of concept in your organization. It will help you in the long run. Focus on the core tooling, and we kind of go with the 5 core tooling processes: version control, configuration management, the right orchestration tool, the right deployment tools, and the right testing tools. And in each of them, what you have to see is how are you building the processes in order for you to get automation and done in all of these tools, and how do they integrate along with your existing tools? If you're on open source and if you're on Microsoft platform and you're only using open source tools, there may be a conflict, right? So try and sort that out as well. Build pipeline processes, right? Have common tools for these dev, QA, and infrastructure. Use tools for every step. Capture and log everything. It's important. There should be no manual process and out-of-the-way processes. That's the way it fails. Enforce automation, again, common theme, right? And ensure continuous feedback, because if you're not putting the feedback, that's where it's going to fail. Simplify toolchain processes. I apologize for the color. I asked my daughter to do it. She said, I have to get pink inside it. So yeah, but this is a simplified toolchain process which talks about plan, develop, continuous build, automated testing, and adapt and scale. I talked about a common theme. It's automation, right? You got to get infrastructure automation, testing automation, and deployment automation. I'll give you a small anecdote. We talked to a customer and said, hey, we have the tools, but we're not getting the benefit. It's still taking the same time. I said, what about unit testing? Oh, that takes 7 days for manual testing. So it's not going to work, right? You have to automate it. That is in the heart of DevOps, and hopefully we'll move the screen up. Yeah. So this is an illustration. We actually did this for one of our customers. We build the whole continuous integration, continuous delivery, and continuous improvement. We used some of the tools, which you can see Jenkins was used as the heart for orchestration. We used Maven for build. We did Selenium testing. We used Nexus for repository. And we deployed it both on-prem on OpenStack as well as on AWS Cloud. Not saying that you have to use these tools. All we are saying, and we're not promoting any one of them. All we are saying is that this helped in order for us to build this. And look beyond tooling. I mean, somebody said, you can't do it without mentioning culture. Cultural change. Get senior management buy-in. Trust me, it helps. Have measurable milestones. You need to figure out where you're going to come in, how you're going to measure it, what is your success criteria. And go ahead. Be your agent of change, right? tell your organization, this is the way we would like to do it. These are the tools that will be helpful to get those changes done. And that's about all I have time.
He's going to come to us today and speak to us